Thanks to our Lord, natapos din ang kasal nila Joy sa kasal ni June. Masaya. Ngayon, nagpamasalamat ako sa mga bisita, lalong-lalo na sa mga principal sponsor, mga ninong at nina, at thanks for their time and effort in coming to their wedding party. Sa mga bisita namin, mga relatives ko, mga friends, salamat, maraming salamat sa inyo na natapos din ang isa.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako po ay si Danny Gampo, kapatid ng nanay ng bride. I'm here to proxy my bayaw, my brother-in-law, who died early at age 42. And I know he's here now, around here, witnessing this important event, happy and smiling. I know, nakikilit under my skin, since Pepsi, won't breathe. That is my skin. So, in my with my 46 years experience as a married man, I would like to say some advice to the couple. I think I have the honor and privilege to do so. That they must have to love each other no matter what. Because you cannot build a good family without unconditional love. Now, in case you have an inevitable problem, try to solve it in yourself. You have to sit down and talk over the problem to solve immediately. Don't procrastinate for tomorrow. Solve it immediately. Now, if this doesn't work, ask the intervention of the divine providence, divine mercy, and He will help you. God is very powerful. There is nothing impossible with Him. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Gandhi.